In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create goal templates in HubSpot so you can standardize targets, save time, and keep your team aligned without rebuilding goals from scratch every single time. Goal templates are perfect for sales managers, marketing leaders, and service teams who need consistent tracking across users, pipelines, or reporting periods. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and customize your own goal template inside HubSpot step by step. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and software how-to guides. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to your main HubSpot dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Hover over or click on Reporting. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, click on Goals. This will take you to the Goals tool, where you can manage existing goals and create new ones. If this is your first time using goals, you may see an overview screen explaining how goal tracking works. If you've already created goals before, you'll see a list of your current goals. Now that you're inside the Goals tool, the next step is to create a new template. Click on Create Goal or Create New Template depending on your interface version. HubSpot will now ask you to choose the goal type you want to base your template on. This is important because your template structure will depend on what you're tracking. You can choose from goal types such as revenue, calls made, meetings booked, deals created, or tickets closed. For example, if you're creating a sales performance template, you might choose revenue or deals created. If you're managing a support team, you might choose tickets closed. Select the goal type that matches your objective and continue. Next, it's time to customize your template. Start by entering a clear and descriptive goal name. For example, you could name it something like Monthly Revenue Target Template or Quarterly Sales Activity Template. Using a clear naming convention makes it much easier to reuse and identify templates later. After naming your template, choose who or what this goal applies to. You can assign it to a specific pipeline, team, or individual user. This is especially useful if you manage multiple sales pipelines or departments. For example, you might create one template for your inbound sales team and another for your outbound team. If you're creating a universal template, select the appropriate pipeline and then define the team or users it should apply to. Now select the measurement period. HubSpot allows you to define whether the goal is tracked monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Monthly goals are great for tracking consistent performance and short-term targets. Quarterly goals are helpful for bigger picture performance tracking. Yearly goals are ideal for long-term strategic objectives. Choose the measurement period that aligns with how you review performance in your organization. Once you've selected the measurement period, enter your target values. This is where you define the actual numbers your team needs to hit. For example, you might set a monthly revenue target of $50,000 or a monthly meetings book target of 100 meetings. Make sure these targets are realistic, data-driven, and aligned with your broader company objectives. After entering all your details, double-check everything to make sure the goal type, assignments, measurement period, and target values are correct. When you're ready, click Save. Your goal template is now created and ready to be used for consistent goal creation in the future. And that's it. You've successfully created a goal template in HubSpot. Using templates ensures consistency across teams, simplifies onboarding for new managers, and saves a significant amount of setup time when planning new performance periods. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, CRM tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.